Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to do a 50-cent coin roll hunt. So we'll get stuck into it. It's just post-mint damage, nothing going on there. There's a nice coin on the end here. We'll have a little closer look at that one. Yeah, it's quite a nice grade, other than this big scratch going across it. There's a bit of a scratch there. I don't think it's anything else other than a scratch. It's not a die crack, so I don't think I'll be keeping this one just purely because of that. I'll put it aside for now and have a little look at it later on. So I don't know if you guys noticed on the if you're on the Facebook group, someone had put up is a Tasmanian Federation, so we're going to keep that one. That's not bad. Tasmania is a tough one to find, so that's a good keeper. So someone wasn't on our group, but on another group put up a video of the Millennium 50-cent coin. So the coin that we always look for to have an incused error. Someone found one of those fully rotated 180 degrees, so essentially like that. So yeah, that's a great find. So that's why you just got to make sure you rotate each and every coin you come across. Don't let one go through your hand, because that's technically an unknown error, and that's been in circulation for 19 years, and no one, to my knowledge, has ever reported finding one. And someone found one the other day, and it was fairly nice condition, and it will be worth many thousands of dollars. So yeah, it's the most important thing you can do, is just make sure you rotate your coins, because they do crop up from time to time. They're unknown errors, and you'll be the first person to find one. So make sure you do that. So I got a mixture of rolls today. I got some from the Prosecure ones and some Armor Guard ones, which the Armor Guard ones have just the plain paper wrap on them. Okay, here's another keeper. So that's a 1993, 50 cents. So mintage of just a million. So always good to find one of these, and certainly no matter what grade they're in, just keep them. This isn't great, but it's still a keeper, and certainly worth more than 50 cents. These are always in good condition. Always in good condition. Rare to find one that's not. So. Quite a nice grade coin for a year 2008, 50 cent. Might just keep it aside for now. Alright, so just unwrapped a couple of rolls just to save some time, but I haven't looked at them yet, so they're just standing upright. Still hoping to find the 2010 rotated 50 cent coin. Could be a wide date, but I'm not sure. Don't think it is. Yeah, that's a wide date, that one there. The other one wasn't quite as wide. I can't quite see it right now. But that's a wide date, so I'll put that one aside. Oh, here's an 85, 1985, 50-cent coin. So we found 93 and an 85, so that's good. So that 85 is also a low mintage coin, so just around the million mark. Always check for doubling around the Australian year 2001 on these coins, on the Federation coin. This one here is not really doubled at all, but as the die was wearing, the doubling became very broad. So, and that's a thin date. Alright, got a couple more stacks here. We'll get through these and then we'll do the roundup and see what we came out with. It's a thin date. There's a Western Australian Federation coin. So another good find, and we'll put this one aside as well. Always keep all those state Federation coins, no matter what state they are. They're all worth more than 50 cents. So most of them around the sort of 2 to 2.5, 2.9 million, depending on the state. So classed as low mintage. There's another cud on the robe there, so technically another keeper, but I'm not going to keep this one. Got too many of them. There's one without the cud. And there we go. Alright, I'll set up for the roundup. Alright guys, so this is what we've kept out of that hunt. So we've got the couple of nice high grade coins that we had a look at. We've also got a 1985 and a 1993. Tough to come across, great to find two of them in the same hunt. Both 1 million mintage, two state federation coins. So we've got the Western Australian and the Tasmanian. For me, Tasmanian is a tough one to find. And a wide date 1994. Alright guys, this is a nice short hunt, but plenty of rewards to come out of that one. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.